Hello everyone and welcome to the Car Trigger. Today I'm going to show you a very special bike which you can buy in Bangalore. This is the Kawasaki Z900.
Please let me go. You like to love so hard and then you throw it away. You like to open scars and then you blame it on me. You're someone I can never be with. You joke about my flaws and weaknesses. Why'd you love so hard and then just throw it away? You opened up my heart and just to close it on me. Don't blame it on me. Don't blame it on me. So don't you blame it on me.
So guys, welcome back to the channel Car Trigger. In previous video we have shown Suzuki Hayabusa, that's black color Hayabusa, still available, you can buy that bike. This time we are going to show you the limited edition Kawasaki Z900. So this is the Z900. This is a 2019 second owner bike which has done 18,000 km, and this bike is fully PPF protected, and also the front tire set is brand new. So I'm going to say the specs of the bike later. So first I want to show you the bike.
Scars and then you blame it on me. You're someone I can never be with.
So the front tires are newly installed,
Weaknesses.
and this is the condition of rear tire,
So hard and then just throw it away.
and also you will get frame sliders on this bike.
And just to close it on me.
The tank pads are attached on all the three sides. You will also get very attractive aftermarket seat covers. On both sides you will get CNC levers. You will get RNG radiator guard. The catalytic converter is removed from this bike.